In this video, I'm going to show you how to invite users to your workspace. System admins can invite users by simply going to the admin. From your home screen, you can navigate to the admin choosing this option, or from anywhere in the system, you can always choose admin from the main menu at the bottom. To invite your users, you can simply choose invite, and you'll be pull up a dialog box like this and fill out the email address, first and last name. You can add another invite this way by just choosing this button here and hit send. So it's really simple to add people to your system right away, and they will be added by default as just a regular project resource, which means they can be added at login, and they can be added to projects as people that can be assigned to tasks. To manage all of your users, choose users, and you'll see your list of users here. You can search for a user using the search here. You can also invite users here, or you can use the full user add edit form, which allows you to have more control over your the settings of your user and all of their attributes, as well as the system roles that they will be assigned to, and preferences, their preferences, and then their resource information. And again, these input boxes all depend on which add-ons you have installed. You may see some additional fields that I don't show, or fields that you may have fewer fields as well. So again, like resource info here, putting your burden and bill rate in will only appear if you're using the budget or time tracking systems. But this is the user add edit form. And a couple other tricks here are you can make templated users this way by choosing templates. If you have templated users, then you will see only you'll be able to create, they're not real users, but they're a template for how to set up a particular user with the settings that you want for your template. And you can also always clone an existing user from here as well, or resend their welcome email and reset their password or edit them. And if you're an admin, you can impersonate users as well. So this is your user management area. If you want to see who your inactive users are included, choose this option here. So again, straightforward to add users to your system. This video is intended just to show the basics of that. It's at the admin area. From the admin, choose users or invite from here.